Welcome. In this video, I share 5 business ideas that could be life-changing in 2024. These ideas include key objectives that I truly believe in and are seen as viable for achieving financial freedom. First, I focus on sticker sales on Etsy.com. I examine the potential to earn foreign currency, especially through cheap sales from Turkey to abroad. I point out that a store called Wild Talk has sold more than 240,000 stickers. I emphasize the importance of creating designs using artificial intelligence and that it is possible to earn foreign currency by selling stickers on platforms. As a second business idea, I propose designing wedding invitations. I point out that there is a high demand for the wedding section, especially on Etsy, and explain that a design-oriented approach can be successful. Again, I point out that artificial intelligence can be used to create designs quickly. Thirdly, I introduce Tekn Stadi, an American company that provides training in technical fields, emphasizing courses such as software tester, data science, and mobile app development, which can lead to internships and job opportunities in Europe and the US. Orum. For the fourth business idea, I share ways to make money by producing content on social media platforms. I talk about the potential to generate income from sponsorships and views by producing content on channels such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. As a fifth business idea, I mentioned that video editing is an increasingly in-demand field, especially with the popularity of vertical videos like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. A good video editor can always find a job. Last but not least, I recommend learning financial literacy and investing so that we can better capitalize on opportunities and achieve financial independence. I hope these suggestions will be useful for you. Good luck and goodbye. Take it.